What's up everybody, my name is Nicholas K. Ross and today you clicked on this video because you want to know where to go in your vacation to Orlando because you're planning it or you're here. Well, I'm gonna help you and just let you know I am not including neither one of these two places. Disney and Universal are not gonna be on this list, so I'm gonna tell you 3 places to go in maybe under a minute. So let's start because time's running. Let's go. And here we go, here we are in the first place. This is, as some people might be able to tell, the Icon Park, where we have a Ferris wheel, which is absolutely amazing. And we have a bunch of other things, including Madame Tussauds, Sea Life, a bunch of restaurants with a bunch of amazing food. Yard House is right here. We have an Outback, and it's just a wonderful place to chill and take some photos like these. Now, time's going by real fast, so let's go to second place. All right, here we go to the second place. I believe this is the second place. As you can tell maybe by design, this is Disney Springs, which is one of, if not my favorite place overall. And you see that over there, the thing that's getting lower, that's the balloon. And yes, you can fly on it for 20 bucks. It is one of my favorite places, just come and chill. They have live music all the time, a bunch of amazing performances. Their food's amazing, a bunch of restaurants, and one of the biggest Disney stores in Orlando, if not the biggest one. I believe it's the biggest one.
Nice.
And they have a bunch of little stores, Zara, Under Armour, Sephora.
Seriously.
Coca-Cola. A bunch of amazing stores with amazing deals, like an outlet mall, and it's beautiful. Amazing place to take photos too, like these ones. All right, let's go to the last place in my head. See you there.
Last place on our list is Lake Eola, which is one of the most beautiful scenarios that we have here in Orlando. If you want to come to a place and take some amazing photos like these, go over there. Many of the photos that you see here on my wall, I've taken them over there. It's one of my favorite spots to do photography and it's amazing. Also, every single place that I've mentioned in this video is free to go. You guys are free to go to. You don't have to pay for anything. You just got to find some parking, which is not that bad.
Please, no!
If this video helped you plan a little bit better your vacation here in Orlando, leave a like, subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video because I gotta go do a vlog and an essay right now. It's gonna be fun. See ya.